Hey guys, how are you all? After many days, I am doing a makeup video again because it is really fun thing I love to do. So actually, this topic has got me from Instagram. How beautiful Instagram people's looks, and it is so simple. However, it is so eye-catching at the moment. So I named this look Instagram butterfly. So basically, what you need to do, you need to do a colorful eye. So I'm using a eyeshadow from my palette, which is almost brownish oranges color, and you will just go all over on your eyes and try to create half circle with it on your eyes. Means your eyes will be really deep set if you do a half circle with shadows on your eyes. And to highlight this look, I am applying the highlighting pearl color from the palette on my eyes inner corner to the middle of the brow bone. Means just the opposite highlighting point. You apply highlighter on your brow bone, you need to apply highlighter on your inner corner to your middle eyebrow portion, and do go really deep into it. It looks really light here, but it is really deep I have done. Then obviously go with any kind of eyeliner which we all like, which is basically called puppy liner, because that will be a light version of the anime eye, which will make you look more cuter. Do some fake lashes under your eyes as well, because that also makes the people look cuter. And for making you look more cute, you need to apply a pink strawberry kind of blush as a sky kind of blush. I really love to say it sky blush because it looks really dreamy. It will go all around your nose and over your cheeks and really highlight the much more cuter part. And over the pink blush, you will apply freckles. You just need to use your contour color or even your mascara you can use. Then just use back of your brush or your mascara wand and just place it all over your cheeks where you have applied the blush only, not anywhere else. Also, try to use a really deep dark color. I would suggest I'm using here a deep lighter color, which means basically it will draw much more light towards it. If you want to go with really sexy look, go with deep dark shadows, colors like purple, burgundy, maroon. That looks really sexy on skin tones like mine, or even dark tones looks so really good. I have not shown here, but I have applied 3 individual lashes in each eye, which basically makes my eyes looks much more pointier. I hope you have already seen the manga lashes and everything, which is just basically pointy eyes, pointy lashes, which quick makes the eyes on a Instagram butterfly look from my side. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe because we are finally going towards a big family now. So yeah, keep supporting me, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.